In this tutorial, I'd like to talk about Salsa Party, and this is also a great initial guitar, classical guitar piece. Let's have a look at the tempo here. It says rhythmical, and we have 120 crotchets per minute. We have a time signature of 4/4, so we're just going to count normally 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Right, so this one here only has, it's one of those songs that we only have a melody to play. So we're going to have a lot of movements here with our hands on the frets, and we are going to move between the first, the second, and the third string. So this is where the song is going to be played in first position. Now, it needs to be a little bit rhythmical when we play it. So all you need to do is to slowly read your notes. The only tricky thing in this piece is where we need to play the offbeat. For example, in bars 2, where we have this, I'm going to play from the beginning. So it's E, D, E, C, D, B, D. And then holding it down for 2.5 beats. Remember, we have a crotchet there, and then we have a crotchet tied to a minim. So we're going to have to hold it for 2.5 beats. If we count there, it's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the only part. That's the salsa part that we need to bring out, and that is very, very important. So when you practice this, make sure that you bring out that rhythm, so that it is rhythmical and it sounds like a salsa party. Very important here, we have a lot of repeats in this piece. For example, we have line 1, and line 1 is going to repeat again in line 3 from the forte sign all the way up almost to the very end, where we have our ending, where we walk down with the accents and that staccato note. Let's quickly talk about the ending. We have accent notes, so almost like slapping your string. When you pull it back nice and far. And then when we get to that A, we're going to play the A, but it's staccato, so we're going to play and stop the string immediately. That's very important. Speaking about dynamics, we're going to start loud. We have variations between forte and piano, loud and soft. So starting forte. Now, piano. Crescendo. Forte. This is a repeat part. And finally now the accents and staccato at the end. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might be helpful. Thanks for watching.